Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Florida Paradise. We are currently under a tropical storm warning. Haven't seen too much heavy winds, just enough to knock the pine needles out of the tree. But I did want to show my latest creation. This is what they call bird be gone. My neighbor gave this to me. They use this in the marine industry. And he sold his boat and he gave me this bird be gone, but it was 6 foot wide. So I shortened it to about 31 inches and put the wings back on it. Kind of odd, slow moving compared to my windmills, but nevertheless, it's something new and different. The center tubing, I believe, is from a hammock frame. And these curved pieces of tubing is the last 3 pieces I had from a trampoline stand. And not knowing on how fast this would have spun, I decided to mount 2 brake rotors in case there's some G-forces. But it moves so slow, I could have gotten by with just one. But that's okay. I got plenty to go around. And all these are anchored in the ground, except the ones that have the tire rims. And this particular cast iron base. But this doesn't have much wind resistance, but I'll keep an eye on it. And let's see, nothing really new over here. I'm not sure if I showed this peacock or not, but that was discarded. And I dug up some Boston ferns to reclaim this metal container. Yeah, haven't been doing too much on creating anything. These don't seem to be selling, but I still keep slapping them together. I did plasma cut myself another gecko, because I finally sold my last one about a month ago, and it took like almost 2 years to sell. And go figure, I'm in the gecko capital of the world, Gulfport. On this particular one, it's brown, but a lot of the pictures show it's black. But just in case somebody wants to be more colorful, now, someone can be more colorful now. Maybe I'll keep it that way for a while. See if it attracts more attention. You would think on a lighter color block wall, the dark one would. Alright, I believe that's it. Oh, this metal wall decor was thrown in the recycling dumpster, so I had to snatch that out. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Another thing I wanted to show you all. These were leaning next to a trash dumpster. They were still boxed. These are brand new, like realtor or advertising sign frames. And this has the angle metal frame, so it's more rigid. And this is a whole lot better than them wire holders that you just poke in the ground. But there's 5 of them here. So I put them online for sale. But one thing about this is good material for different welding projects if they don't sell for the intended purpose. Well, that's about it. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me babble on. Take care. Stay safe.